Okay, so let's initialize the worm. Okay, what's that all about? Alright, so we need a variable to keep track of all the positions of the worm. I will start by writing 5 chars for the worm horizontally. And first of all, we need this array to keep track of all the coordinates, because, or just to be able to delete its tail. So I need a worm variable. So we need this, which is a generic list worm. To use this, we need using system collections generic. I also need the worm x and y position. That might be it. Let's see. Let's go down here again. Okay, so we're storing the worm positions to be able to delete the tail. We also need to store the positions of the worm in the grid double array. This is to be able to know whenever the snake, or I'm sorry, the worm hits itself, if you hit yourself or not. This is why we store it in the grid double array. In the current positions that we just stored. So we store these positions, and the worm array in itself is to keep track of the coordinates and know where to delete the tail. We loop through these coordinates and store them in the grid as well. Okay. The worm list generic consists of positions, pos. So this is a class itself. With get and set properties, they're public. And here we create new instances of the position, setting x and y to the values we want. Okay, this should do it. Let's compile and see. Okay, 2 warnings. We're setting the worm x and y fields, but they're not used yet. Init worm. Okay, let's draw the worm. It will be yellow for each. Okay, remember that we just stored the worm parts in the variable worm up here. Okay, go to the current, or the cursor position for the current worm part. And there we would like to just print the parts. I'm using O for the body and an O with 2 dots over for a head. That would look like 2 eyes or whatever. You can use any chars. The counter variable here, or the count variable, is just to know whenever we have reached 5, because the last position I want to be ahead, otherwise write body parts. Let's see if this works. Okay, so there we have the snake.